Good morning, students. Today we are going to start chapter number 11 of our English language book, that is adjectives. Students, as you know, we have done the topic noun and today we are going to describe adjectives. Now, what is adjective? Describing words are called adjectives. Okay, see here, adjectives are describing words that tell us more about the nouns. Adjectives are the words which describe the noun. Okay, you can see here it is a sunny day. Now tell me, what is a noun here? Day is a noun and it is a sunny day. Sunny is a word which is describing day. There are two trees. Trees is a noun and two is describing trees. Like a fat cow is eating grass. Now what is cow? It's an animal and you know it is noun. A fat. Now how is the cow? Cow is fat. So the fat word is describing how the cow is. Understand? A blue kite. Like you can say black hair, white cap, pink ribbon, sweet apple. Okay, these are called adjectives. So underline the adjectives and circle the nouns they describe. Read this carefully. Underline the adjectives. Okay, we will underline the adjective and we will circle the noun. Okay, so Mr. Verma is an old man. Now what is adjective? Old. And noun? Man. So we will underline the adjective and circle the noun. Try to understand it. The apples are sweet. Firstly, we will circle the noun. Okay. The apples are sweet. Now what is noun? Apples. Then do circle it. And sweet, adjective. Because it is describing apples. Okay. Underline it. You are wearing a beautiful dress. Now try to do it yourself. Okay. You are wearing a beautiful dress. What is noun, students? Dress. So we will circle it. And adjective, beautiful. So we will underline it. Now in these sentences, I will just tell you what is noun and what is adjective. Don't forget which word to do circle and which word to do underline. I have two pens. Noun, pens. And adjective, two. Sunil has a new bag. Noun, bag. And adjective, new. You can wear the blue shirt. Shirt, noun, and blue, adjective. I had 3 sweets yesterday. Noun, sweets, and adjective, 3. The woodcutter was honest. This is a person, so noun is woodcutter and adjective, honest. The big box is under the table. So noun, box, and adjective, big. She bought the pink ribbon from the shop. Noun, ribbon, it's a thing, and adjective, pink. The food was delicious. Food, noun, and adjective, delicious. The tall boy is Rahul. Boy, noun, and adjective, tall. Cinderella was pretty. Cinderella, noun, and pretty, adjective. Mohini is intelligent. Mohini, noun, and intelligent, adjective. It's a rainy day. Day, noun, and rainy, adjective. This box is very heavy. Noun, box, and adjective, heavy. So I hope you have understood it. Now try to do this also. Underline the adjectives in the given passage. Here we have to just underline the adjectives. Ramu and Shamu are two friends. Adjective, two. Among them, Ramu is very intelligent. This one is also adjective. Okay. Shamu is jealous of Ramu. Jealous, adjective. Because of this, one day Shamu makes a wonderful plan to test Ramu. Wonderful plan. Now adjective, wonderful. Shamu goes to his teacher with a long stick. Stick is noun, so adjective is long. Underline it. He asked him, Sir, can Ramu make this stick small? Now small is also adjective. Without breaking it. The teacher asks Ramu to step forward and solve the difficult problem. Difficult is also adjective. Underline it. Ramu comes forward with a stick which is longer than Shamu's stick. So underline it longer. He keeps the two sticks side by side. 2. Underline it. On the Hugh's table. Hugh's. Underline it. Table is a noun. So Hugh's is describing table. So it's an adjective. And asks everyone which stick is small. Small is also adjective. Underline it. Everyone says that the stick that Shamu has brought is the small stick. Do underline small. The teacher is happy with Ramu. Now tell me what is adjective? Happy. Shamu realizes that Ramu is intelligent. So underline it, and it is difficult to beat him. So he becomes Ramu's friend. So till here today we will complete, and in the next video we will complete this lesson. Okay. Try to do more practice. Thank you.